Oh yeah.
Yo!
I have Odyssey Par Ends from Dan's Comp. I got Colt Waffle Grips from Dan's Comp. United Mothership Bars. Good for bar spins.
Yo!
Primo, what is it?
Annihilator
stem with Odyssey headset. I have the WZA BSD, best room I've had. Trailer park cracked. Shit. Bag of wank.
Can I actually put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Everyone make one!
I got a Clark Stream forks, best forks I've had. It's kind of cool because you have no welds there.
That is pretty sick.
It is. I got, what's that called? Primo.
N4.
N4, yeah. With you get like built-in hook guards, so it's cheaper. I got Cinema 777 with some spokes. I don't know what they are. Fit Primo. Fit Faff tyres. Rock solid, and that doesn't sound good. With as the inner tubes.
Yeah.
I got a fucked seat. It's rather fucked. I don't know what seat places are.
Random one.
Yeah, one off Nath Raspin. Shout out Nath Raspin. No, it's Adam Gledall, isn't it? Shout out Adam Gledall. Where is he? I don't care. Yeah. I like this sticker.
It's naughty.
It's a naughty sticker. I got a BSD bottom bracket, which cracked. It gets swapped about there. It's like cracked in half, isn't it? Demolition cranks. They are shit. They're cross-threaded on this side, but that's my fault, isn't it? Odyssey pedals worn down to the max. To the max.
I think I actually do a bike. You've got the most dialed bike here.
No one cares about dialness. It's all about the street, innit?
Yeah, mine is straight.
Clark diesel chain lasted me a year, has not snapped. Shout out to Clark.
That's the only thing what he's had what's one for a while.
Federal sprocket, I got that at Christmas, it was rather sick. What else I got?
Back wheel.
BSD pegs, 3 of them, street as fuck. Well, it's not street, 'cause I need 4.
No! That's it.
Primo remix, fuck your mix, with a Primo hook guard. Primo, yeah. Alright, calm down, Primo.
You don't say dinosaur, do you?
Yeah, I say dinosaur. Cinema 77 rim
I
again,
hate people who say primo.
and Fit Faff tyres. And this you got
Just say
fucking
dinosaur.
dialed. How's that, bro?
Got it all.
That look cool on it.
Wow. So I guess I'll use it for me.